Good day, I'm Zar Jerome C. Cajudo, a BSEC student from Batangas State University. Today, I will discuss about industrial applications using PLC. Automation in the modern world is inevitable. Any automatic machine aimed at the economical use of man, machine, and material worth the cost. This is an era of automation where it is broadly defined as replacement of manual effort by mechanical power in all degrees of automation. The operation remains as an essential part of the system. Although, with the changing demands on physical input, as the degree of mechanization is increased. Programmable Logic Controllers, or PLC, is an industrial computer that monitors inputs, makes decisions based on its program, and controls output to automate the process of a machine. The automation of many different processes, such as controlling machines or factory assembly lines, is done through the use of small computers called PLCs. First, to reduce human efforts. To get maximum efficiency from machine and control them with human logic. To reduce complex circuitry of the entire system. And last is to eliminate the high cost associated with inflexible relay controlled systems. Water conservation isn't a novel concept, but emerging forces are creating renewed attention among commercial property owners. With the prospect of water resources drying up, facility executives and homeowners must find new ways to conserve water. The use of auto-flush urinals make it easier to maintain the sanitation of public toilets. Instead of looking at it as a liability, business owners should consider the end benefits of modern toilet flushing system. With the existence of this problem, a kind of automatic control system which is used to flush urinal or toilet consists of programmable logic controllers, proximity switch sensors, and solenoid valves. In addition, this project presents controlling procedure of a ladder diagram. In practical process of the application, the system is of high sensitivity and good stability. As far as the system is concerned, the system can be applied to different places with appropriate designs of procedure. Owing to good universals and low cost, there is better prospect for application. If a user stands in front of the urinal for more than 3 seconds, the flushing control device will flush the urinal for 3 seconds. The first flushing. When the user leaves the urinal, flush for another 4 seconds, then stop automatically. The second flushing. Stopping the first flushing and starting the second flushing if the first user leaves the urinal during the first flushing process. If the second user comes before the finishing of the 4-second flushing, the flusher will finish the 4-second flushing process and skip the first 3-second flushing process. When the second user leaves the urinal, the flusher will perform another 4-second flushing. These are the devices used in the automatic urinal flushing control system and their designated label for the ladder diagram. X0 for the infrared sensor, M0, M1, and M2 for the internal auxiliary relay, T0 and T1 for the 3-second timer, T2 for the 4-second timer, and Y0 for the flushing valve. Here is the ladder diagram of the automatic urinal flushing control system. When a user is detected, infrared sensor X0 will be on. In this case, T0 will be on and start to count for 3 seconds. If the user leaves in 3 seconds, X0 will be off and T0 will be off. No action will be performed. If the user stands for more than 3 seconds, the no contact T0 will be activated, which turns on M0. The first flushing will start if Y0 is on. M1 is latched in this program. If the user leaves after 3 seconds, which means no contact M0 is on, and the normally closed contact X0 is off, M1 will be on and latch. The second flushing will then be started. After 4 seconds, both the no contact and the normally closed contact of T2 will be activated. Therefore, Y0 will be off, and the flushing will be stopped. M0 and M1 will be reset. Because M1 is latched, the second flushing process will certainly be executed whether X0 changes its state or not. Here is an example of an automatic urinal flushing control system.